Chinese government confirmed replacement Bitcoin with VECHAIN. Interest in Vechain in the world is growing more and more. If earlier Vechain was popular only at the level of companies, now more and more countries from different parts of the globe are interested in this cryptocurrency. In the near future, it will be possible to see Vechain as a global cryptocurrency that is able to unite countries. Welcome to the Finance AP channel. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. What do you think the maximum price for Vechain will be in 2022? Write the answers in the comments. The live VECHAIN price today is $0.084 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $231 million US. We update our VT to USD price in real time. VECHAIN is down 0.91% in the last 24 hours. Aidan Connolly, president of Agritech Capital and CEO of Vechain Vet, has published a study on the problems of China's food sector. In the context of economic recovery after the COVID-19 pandemic, Connolly argues that VECHAIN can significantly improve the situation. Despite the fact that the Asian country is in a difficult situation, as Connolly's publication notes, he has a recovery plan for 5 key areas. The country invests about $6 billion in China's food industry alone, which is being improved with the use of technologies, agri-food tech. VECHAIN and project solutions will be key in many sectors due to the growing demand for transparency. In recent years, the Chinese population has been learning about fraud, infections and unsuccessful food inspections. According to the authorities, these discussions are aggravated by the use of social networks. The company that can change the rules of the game is the Chinese blockchain platform VECHAIN, designed to improve the information flow for complex supply chains, Connolly writes. In 2020, VECHAIN became the first blockchain-based organization to join the Chinese Alliance for Animal Health and Food Safety, CAFA, and has already entered into a strategic partnership with the Chinese divisions of Vogue, Walmart, BMW, and LVMH. China is seeking to stop Bitcoin mining, and also prohibits banks from processing transactions related to cryptocurrency. Nevertheless, government officials have praised blockchain technology, in particular VECHAIN. The VECHAIN Foundation recently reported that officials from 3 of China's most important districts visited its Singapore office. According to the foundation, leaders from Shanghai, Chongqing, and Huangpu district sought to discuss potential cooperation. The VECHAIN blockchain is always ready to serve the community, businesses, governments, and everyone concerned, the statement said. The Chinese cryptographic publication Chain News delved into the topic of the meeting. According to the report, officials expressed confidence that blockchain technology will play an important role in the future of the digital economy. According to Chain News, during the meeting, officials repeatedly expressed their recognition and confirmation of the direction of business development of VECHAIN technology. Such recognition by the Chinese government could go a long way towards determining the future of VECHAIN. China is the second largest economy in the world, and experts predict that by 2032 it will overtake the United States. It also has the largest population in the world, more than 1.4 billion people. Thus, the introduction in China will make VECHAIN a contender for the world's largest blockchain. Over the years, China has also been among the fastest countries in the world introducing new technologies. This is most noticeable in its aggressive CBDC development. Another positive news is that the VECHAIN Foundation has announced that it has reached 1 million accounts. The blockchain project reached this mark on May 26, a month before its 3-year anniversary. It said, "We are steadily moving towards mass adoption together with corporate users and active holders of VET and VIP 180 from the community. Blockchain has become widespread as it strengthens its status as the preferred corporate blockchain. It boasts that some of the world's leading firms work on its blockchain, including giants such as Walmart, LVMH, and BMW. More than half a year has passed since the repression began in China, and the pressure from the government from top to bottom is still increasing. Most of the projects implemented in China find ways to circumvent the rules by focusing on the technological aspect, but only a few of them are in a very enviable position. Among other things, finding talented people to hire will definitely become more difficult as conservative-minded locals will worry about the safety and sustainability of the industry. Some projects, such as VECHAIN, use the opportunity to focus on their blockchain-as-a-service technology and have good opportunities to continue working. Blockchain has always been considered an important technology for China, especially when it is used for things like food safety and other socially responsible applications. Last week, the smart contract platform boldly visited the world-famous International Import Exhibition in China, where, together with longtime partners, PwC demonstrated its tracking system. This year the exhibition was even bigger than usual, in connection with the celebration of the 20th anniversary of China's accession to the WTO. Chinese President Xi Jinping gave a speech via video to celebrate the opening of the exhibition, as usual, noting how China is successfully opening and developing. A few years ago, corporate solutions on a public blockchain were in vogue, but now there are fewer and fewer VECHAIN competitors, since most of them have switched to DeFi solutions or simply gone silent. The real challenge will be to convince China's organizations to make a truly public decision, rather than a consortium model without all the decentralized bells and whistles. Tech giants such as Alibaba and JD.com have their own private solutions that may be close enough to the real blockchain technology that government officials can hide the details. Gossip columns buzzed after OKX founder Star Su's LinkedIn status suddenly revealed he was in San Francisco. The leader of the second-largest stock exchange this year was subjected to close attention, given the strict rules applied to exchanges. His sudden arrival in the United States indicates that OK Group is serious about divorce from China and will be able to enter new markets without fear of failures from law enforcement agencies. OKX has demonstrated strong growth over the past few months and is now actively promoting the GameFi and NFT segments, hoping to gain an advantage over competitors. Users will have until March next year to switch to the Huobi Singapore service, after which their global accounts will be closed. Singapore was a safe haven for many of the industry's biggest players, relying on a progressive regulatory framework, high quality of life and a multicultural atmosphere in which English speakers and Chinese felt at home. On October 13, the leading blockchain media companies received a notification from the Cyberspace Administration of China demanding that they cease their activities. Among them were Chain News and Block 123, two of the most well-known platforms. Servers in Alibaba Cloud have disabled the relevant services, disabling the app and the web page. Twitter and Telegram channels, of course, were not affected, which made foreign outlets one of the few places where Chinese users could turn for information. This requires some additional networking tools to bypass an excellent firewall, but they should have the expected result of eliminating excessive retail speculation while still allowing true technology adherents to participate. Do you think Vechain will be able to maintain its position in the market? Write answers in the comments. For today, I say goodbye to you. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.